Hello, student.
Hello.
How are you? How were your weekends?
It was great. How was
Okay.
your
Thank you very much. It was super cool. So, are you ready to new topic?
as always?
Okay, great. So let me check the screen sharing right now. Okay. Is it visible for you?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, cool. Let us start from beginning in bigger size. So, okay, we can start our new topic today. This is conditionals. Okay, so today we're gonna learn the new topic, which name is conditionals. Have you heard about this thing earlier?
Yes, like in school, in my English classes at school.
Maybe you remember something?
It's something about like if I something something, then something like
Yes,
this.
you're right. In our sentences, we have several clouds, and in Russian, we say условные предложения. So let's start our lecture. Okay. Today we're gonna cover several topics, which is type of conditionals, how we will learn how to make sentences in each type. So we have zero, first, second, third, and mixed conditionals. And also we will cover how to use them. Okay, you can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, in the zero conditional, so what do we have? So we have the sentences in zero conditional. If you stay in the rain, you get wet. First conditional, if I have enough money, I will go to a safari trip next summer. So let's look up at this conditional in more details. So, zero conditional. You can see that the sentence is divided by two parts. So it means we have two clouds. The first is that where we have the word if.
Okay.
It's like the helpful word. It's not sometimes in the first cloud. It can be both. For example, we can say, if you stay in the rain, you get wet. Vice versa, we can say that you get wet if you stay in the rain. So it's like in the Russian saying that от перемены слагаемых сумма не меняется.
Okay.
Okay, what do we have? Zero conditional means that we don't have something in condition. It means that we are talking about the fact, about the action that is like trivial. For example, if I push on this button, the light is in the room. So мы как бы констатируем факты, о которых идет речь. You can practice by making the sentences using two clouds with present simple. Come on, don't be shy.
For example, we can say if I am rich, I am happy.
Yes, you're right. Okay, so in zero conditional, we don't use will, we use in both sides present simple. So in this page, we can see the first conditional. It means that the first cloud is consist of present simple, and the second is about future simple. So it means the first part we're talking about now or a fact, and the second part is about our prediction. So let's start talking about our example. So if I have enough money, it's like a fact which is in present simple, I will go to a safari trip next summer. So this is prediction. It means это условное предложение. Let's try maybe do one example.
If I buy food, I will try to make dinner.
Let's practice with translations. Окей, если пойдет дождь, мы не пойдем гулять.
If it rains, we will not go on walking. Go
Or
to walk.
you can say. Okay, good. So, is it understandable?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. So the second conditional is also consists of two parts, but the first part is past simple and the second one would or could. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world. It means that the action is not happening. So we are imagining. In these sentences, in second conditional, we can also say, if I were you, and the most important part that if we're talking about you, like if we are using the verb to be in second form. So let us practice. If I will start. If I were you, I would teach the English better.
Okay.
So is it understandable for you?
Yes. Is it like если бы я был тобой или если бы я был на твоем месте, да?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. If I were you, I would do it differently.
Okay, cool. And let us practice not in the form если бы я была тобой. For example, if I had a brother, I would have a protection.
Okay. If I went to the library yesterday, I would be smarter.
Cool. You are doing right way. So let us continue. And this third conditional, which is consisting of two clouds, but the first one is consist of past perfect. If we had bought a white book, this is past perfect. So we have had and the verb in the third form. Can you remember the past perfect?
Yes.
Cool. And the second cloud is consist of would or could have plus past participle. Here you need to be more accurate because here we have would have plus the verb in the third form. Would have known which places to visit. And the whole sentences, if we had bought a white book, we would have known which places to visit. So let us practice if it's understandable. Is it?
Yes, it's understandable.
Okay, so
for example, if I had chosen another university, I wouldn't have studied at Webster right now.
Yes, cool. So you understand, yes, that if we are using third conditional, it means that we are talking about imaginary situation that didn't happen.
Never happened.
Okay. going to the next part, we should summarize that we have covered. It means that zero conditional is talking about scientific facts, general truths, laws of nature. It means that it's something trivial. Okay, for the first conditional, it covers real situations likely to happen in the present or future. It means that we are making some kind of predictions, and in these situations we are using first conditional. Okay, in the second conditional, it's like an giving advice, unreal or imaginary situation unlikely to happen in the present or future. For example, if I were you, in this form, we're giving advice for someone. And the last third conditional, it's imaginary situation in the past, regrets, unfulfilled plans, wishes, impossible to fulfill, or maybe criticism. For example, like you said, if you had gone to another university, you wouldn't have been in Webster right now. So it means that it's about situation that you cannot change in the past. Also, if we're talking about more info, if clause shows the condition and main clause shows the result. As I said before, it can be changed with places, but сумма отлагаемых не меняется. Okay, next. The if clause can precede or follow the main clause at the beginning of the sentence. We put a comma after if clause. This is very important part because after if clause we always put comma. When the main clause is the first, no comma is used. Okay, is it understandable to you?
Yes.
This was the all for today. I will give you a homework with more practice, and I guess that's all.
Yes.
Okay, I have finished the screen share. Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. It was it understandable for you?
Yes. Thank you for the lesson.
Cool. Okay, goodbye. See you on the next lesson.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.